Hello everybody, this is Jyoti, and in this video I will tell you what are the things we need to understand about IELTS examination, what are the sections, how many modules we have, also what type of question we need to tackle on. Number one, what is IELTS? Second thing, we need to understand why we need to sit in this exam. You can take this test. Let's talk about the test structure. So test has 4 sections or 4 different tests. Number 1 is for listening, second reading, writing and speaking. Speaking, the time allowed to a candidate is 10 to 15 minutes. Procedure is one-on-one interview and all the conversation is recorded. Structure of interview would have in 3 parts. Number 1, part 1, this is totally based on general questions. It means the questions will be simpler and you can easily understand them, what they are asking. It is about your general, it is about your life, your dislikes and all this. Now the part 2 is a cue card round. In this round, some of the details are already given in that cue card. After reading those details, you need to speak for 2 minutes. And yes, definitely in part 2, you would get some preparation time for 1 minute. Now let's move to the part 3. In part 3, the questions will be on discussion based. So that discussion questions will be related to the part 2 and their simple questions again will be asked and your answer would be cut to point. Don't beat around the bush, students. There you need to work on some aspects of this language like grammar, fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary and body language. All the things will work together. Next, it's the reading part. Reading part, it means what? We will have 60 minutes to solve different passages and procedure means we will not talk about these all, but I just come to the point. 3 passages will be there, 40 questions, and the type of questions will be different, like true false not giving, heading, MCQ, sentence completion and match headings. Academic and general reading, as I told you before, there we have 2 modules. Number 1 is for academic and next is general. What the difference are there? Let me tell. See, in academic, 3 passages from magazine, journal and newspaper will be asked. But in general, some notice, ads, magazine and book text will be available. So, see, general reading is not that much complex, but yes, academic is. Passage focused on academic issues, but in general, focused on social issues. This part, like academic reading is quite difficult, as I said, and general is easy. Time will be allowed same for both the modules, 60 minutes, and same number of questions, 40. For the writing, we will have 2 tasks, as I told you earlier. 60 minutes will be given. 40 minutes you can take for your task 2 because that is quite lengthier and complex. For task 1, you can take 20 minutes. Yes, one more thing. In academic in general, task 1 and task 2, not task 2 but task 1 is quite different. In task 1, in general, we will have to write some letters or emails where opinion matters. But in academic, in task 1, we will have to interpret some pictures, data, bar diagrams, pie charts, all those. Again, it's more difficult, academic one, and easier one is general. 60 minutes again for the whole writing task. No change in timing? Yes, word limit for task 1 will be 150 words, and for task 1 in general 150 words again. It means no change in time limit again and the word limits. For task 2, it should be 250 words for essay. Yes, in the task 2, we have to write an essay, and that is same for the both module for academic as well as for general. The word limit should be 250 words. Yes, in listening task, 30 minutes will be allowed. Recording 1 to 4 has different questions. Question 1 to 10 totally based on real life conversation. 11 to 20 real life monologue. 21 to 30 academic conversation. 31 to 40 academic monologue. One benefit you will get in this test in listening, that 10 minutes will be given to transfer your answer in your answer sheets.